Hey pack leaders, this is Hino, friends and I are protecting families by protecting the pack, and today we're going to do a trading update on what I plan to do in the next few weeks here. So let's go ahead and switch over. So I'm kind of been looking at EOS here. It's been doing pretty well, and kind of thinking that, you know, I'm a big EOS believer myself. So, but moving the EOS that I've had purchased, but then I had recently sold it too, to a leverage platform definitely gives you more opportunity. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of replace my coins that I've purchased and sold and put it on the contract because I don't plan on. I mean, I had initially thought about developing it on EOS, but I did learn that it is quite difficult as far as the price of getting on the blockchain is pretty expensive. Okay, so but I do believe that they can solve that problem because it's flexible. They can just add more hardware as they need it. But until they solve that, then with the current situation, it is below definitely what it could be. Okay, so there's some opportunity here to kind of buy it in a good position, and then once you're in profit, to kind of lock it in, let it ride up on the long term and just hold it. Okay, and then I just crank the leverage up, and then free up some coins, and then I can continue trading on other things. Okay, so that is the idea. So right now, I think I believe it was here now. Is this the right one? 15 minutes. I feel like it's getting mixed up with something else. 15 minutes. Okay, so there we are. Now I do expect Bitcoin to kind of come down a bit. So that's kind of, I'm waiting for that to come down. I believe that, after 3 run-ups, usually there's about 2 drops, possibly 3 drops down. So I'm gonna wait for that. That should be a correction on EOS coin, and then I'll probably jump in on a longer term. So as far as price goes, let me kind of go ahead and kind of estimate where I would want to buy. Okay, so I'm gonna take a macro scale. Now I can't draw on this, which kind of sucks, so I gotta pull my trading view up. I got the Donchin channels. I'm kind of playing with this Donchin idea, which I'll talk about later. It's based off a book I've read called Forex Trading or something like that. Making a living trading Forex. So, it looks like just saw a big dump, but alright, anyways, I think I might take it off real quick just to make it easier to see. Oh, is that hide? Hide. Okay, cool. And I'll hide the resistance too. Alright, cool. So it's starting to dump a little bit. So let's see here. I'm gonna go on a macro scale. Let's see where it's gonna go. And it could come down to about 0.8. Is kind of what I'm kind of guessing. And depending if Bitcoin continues to go down, I think most likely it will probably. Well, I initially thought it would go down to about 1900 range. It's kind of like leveling out a little bit, and we had a nice little bull run, but yeah, it's not breaking out of that. So let's go ahead and kind of put my estimate around here. It's probably around the levels I would probably buy in, and then continue on with that. If it kind of goes lower, I'll probably buy more. Goes lower, buy more, and then that way, as I buy more, as it drops lower, it pushes my liquidation price away. And then when it does bounce up, this is more of a long-term play for me. Probably about a year to 2 years, or maybe 2020. So it's probably about an extra year now, and then probably cash out towards the end of 2020 or something like that. So we'll see how it goes. But as I gain profit, I will probably move my stops up and do my take profit on the long-term play. So okay, cool. So that's my play for this week. And as far as some trading notes, we'll talk about that on another video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you